Hey, I got you a present, Daniel.
Yay, what is it?
Come on, let's go.
I love you.
Yep.
What?
What's that?
I see nothing.
You don't see anything? Where is it? Oh, there it is. Oh, hold on.
It's a trick.
A trick? I don't think so. What's it say?
And
It says from Dad to Daniel. Open it up.
it's just a wall.
A wall. Go ahead, open it up. See if there's anything in there.
See?
Oh, what's that? Hold on.
It's a hole.
A hole. There.
Wow. That's cool.
Oh, that's for you. It's got your name above it.
I don't know how. Hey. I like it.
You like that, huh?
Yeah.
How'd I get that in there?
You made it for me?
Uh-huh.
Look at them. I just tried out, you know.
What's that? Yeah, you can get in. Go ahead. Let's see. Oh, isn't that neat?
Hey,
Uh-huh. It's a little fort.
it goes to outside.
Oh, yeah.
See? It's outside.
Should we go open that up, outside up? Here, I'll go open it up for you.
How do I get past it?
It's closed right now. To keep the bugs out. That's what the bugs are.
I like
Here,
it.
come on.
I hold that. You're gonna let me. Here? Hi, Daddy. Daddy. I need to go get my blanket.